Honorable Swart, ACDP.
Chairperson, thank you. Chairperson, firstly to thank the legal advisors for their lengthy legal opinions that were provided to us in the committee. It really assists us in dealing with all the various submissions. As various speakers have said, this is the 2013 and the 2015 submissions. Now, we in the ACDP raised certain objections to recommendations in the report. A number of them related to the committee's rejection of the proposals from Kingdom Governance Movement, one of which related to abortion. The stand of the ACDP in opposing abortion is well known, and we believe that the proposal from Kingdom Governance Movement should have been accepted to amend Section 11 of the Constitution, that the right to life is protected from conception. The second issue that we dealt with was a proposal from Kingdom Government Movement to amend the preamble of the Constitution to state that to recognize God as the creator and embrace the application of godly norms, ethics, morals, values, and principles for the goodness of humanity. Now, we had a lengthy debate about the issue, and a legal opinion was obtained to the effect that South Africa is a secular state, and therefore these words should not be inserted. Now, I differed very firmly on this issue, and it's not the first time I've dealt with this issue. Since 1999, it has consistently been argued that South Africa is a secular state. I've held a different view. I've strongly differed from that. If you look at the certification judgment, if you look at the certification of the Western Cape judgment, it is stated in that judgment that the preamble in humble submission to Almighty God is acceptable, and that an amendment as proposed would not infringe on any constitutional rights. Now, the report's recommendation on this issue states obliquely that South Africa is not a secular state and does not support a specific religion. I have no problem with that aspect. It's the second part of the report that's problematic. It states that amending the Constitution by embracing godly principles may not only impose specific religion on principles, but may also offend against the spirit and letter of the Constitution. Now, as we debated this issue, it is very clear that we do, as the ACDP, not agree with that view. When the Constitution was drafted, we ensured that Section 15.2 was inserted. Religious observances may be conducted in state or state-aided institutions under certain conditions. So we had a lengthy debate. The committee said we are a secular state, but I'm pleased to announce that in terms of the OGOD case, recently in the Gauteng High Court, the court has found that South Africa is not a secular state.
Thank you very much. Your time has expired.
But I do just want to support this report because of the deaf South Africa language issue. So whilst we've got those reservations, we will support it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. The motion is that the report be adopted. Oh, ANC? Sorry, my apology.
Thank you, Ndula Stool. Let me start by responding to Honorable Swart. As the African National Congress, you know very well that we respect all religion. And we, in the committee, we put it categorically clear that we don't align ourselves with a specific religion. We respect all. But we kept on pushing that we must amend the Constitution to suit the ACDP agenda. Maybe if you can just win elections, that will be fine.